Whoa. Terrifying. Big shout out to these guys then, who fixed me up with a brand new caliper in about half an hour for a very nice rate. Thanks guys. It's a different model, and because of the roll-off shifter you can see the brake caliper can't actually get any further down the handlebar, which means it's a bit of a reach to even just get 2 fingers on it, as opposed to this side where you get all 4 fingers on it. So that's going to take a bit of getting used to, but at least I'm descending the Pyrenees with 2 functioning brakes again. Gutted I don't have longer in Andorra, but I've locked in my Barcelona accommodation already, so it's new country day again already so soon. I'm excited for Spain, but yeah, I regret not having longer in Andorra. It's gorgeous now that the weather has improved. So much very cool art in Andorra. I've sort of been to Spain before, just to a few resort towns in my 20s. Easter Friday tomorrow, so I'm expecting everything to be closed. So I've picked up some long life calves. Got my first cheese and ham pastry. I imagine there'll be a lot more of these in my life. The sun is shining, long may that remain the case. Gracias. That's looking like being my last glimpse of the snow back there. I'm aiming at going about another 60 kilometres or so today. There's plenty of forest to camp in. I'll find a flat bit. And then hopefully I'll have plenty of time tomorrow to see whatever Easter stuff is going on. traffic is in the tunnel, so I've got this road all to myself until it rejoins on the other side. Having to pedal downhill, such is the headwinds I've got right now. No fair. Hola! Turned into a different valley. I was going south, I'm now going east. And now I don't need to pedal at all. The wind is on my side, but it's time to find a camp, hopefully in the next 5 or 10 kilometres. Welcome to my first Spanish camp. The road is just there on the other side of the stream, but it's almost a kilometre along the track to get to it. So when the traffic stops, this is actually quite nice. This campsite smells really nice. Whatever this is, it smells lovely. Cheers, back in the tent. I don't have any Spanish food yet apart from some Spanish bread. I'm just on French leftovers, so that will have to wait. But not only is it New Country Day, it is New Patron Day. So thank you very much indeed, Maya, for becoming my newest patron. Thank you to all of my patrons always, but a special thank you and welcome to you, Maya. Cheers from Spain.